I was really interested in these paint pens, but I did wonder, would they be okay for detailed work? Would they be vibrant? Would they clog over time? After playing around with them, I think they're really quality. Designed for glass, ceramics, porcelain, wood, canvas, metal, plastic, stone, paper, and more. Basically whatever you want to use it for. I'm really impressed that it's a water-based fine tip ink. The tip is a Japanese nylon nib, so it is designed for durability. If you push down, it releases the ink into the tip, and then from there, it really does come out very thick. So I do feel like I can do precision work without having to deal with paintbrushes or mess or paint everywhere. And I love that it can simplify DIY projects, multiple surfaces. I'm not really experienced with this. I feel like it's pretty beginner friendly for me. And here's a look at the colors. The colors are indicated on the lid and there's 2 of each color. So I feel like you can do more long-standing projects. One thing I did want to note, if you're putting it on ceramics or glass, you do want to put it in a cool oven and heat it, bake it for 1 hour, and that sets the paint in, but it is not dishwasher safe. But at the end of the day, what really stands out to me is the precision. I really like that the fine tip lets you create little dots, little lines, detailed as you want, and it's really hard to achieve that with brushes, so that really does differentiate itself being a pen style. Thanks so much to the seller for sending this over. Whether you're crafting, labeling, decorating, this one is kind of a no-brainer to me. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.